What's up, YouTube? I'm Charmaine Jamil, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm in the car. I'm on my way to the grocery store because I am going to restock some of my groceries so that I can make my smoothies for this week. As you know, I have been really trying to commit to doing a lot of exercise or creating a routine of consistent exercise for myself. And smoothies, making smoothies in the morning or kind of in the evening, late in the evening, post-workout or pre-workout have really been a great boost for me. And that's what I kind of want to keep up, and that's why I'm really kind of sharing this video. These 3 smoothies that I'm making really kind of have been my baseline as far as smoothies have been concerned. So on my way to the grocery store to pick up my ingredients. And then I'm going to share with you the 3 smoothies that I have been into lately. I hope to share another video where I've kind of elevated my smoothie game. So y'all just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go into the grocery store. Bananas. I typically get bananas, but as you can see, they are a little low on stock. So I guess I'll have to just get some of these bananas here. I also like to get the pineapple juice and the Natalie's orange juice. So I really like to get the one that has the mixed fruit in there because this can make like 2 separate kinds of smoothies. And sometimes I like to get the ones too that already kind of have the frozen bananas, because the frozen banana one, if I have a smoothie that's the main fruit, then I don't have to worry about kind of bringing the temperature down of the smoothie. So I'm gonna get this mixed fruit one. I've been making smoothies lately, and they've become the most delicious and delightful part of my day. One of my favorite mixtures is a mango pineapple smoothie. I prefer using frozen fruit to avoid adding ice chunks, which would water down the smoothie. I also include a few pieces of spinach for added variety and a fresh banana to enhance the texture. For the liquid, I use orange juice, and I top it off with chia seeds to support digestion, thanks to their richness in fiber and antioxidants. These smoothies have been a fantastic boost for me, whether post-workout or for breakfast. That's so good. So this one's gonna start with the banana. I always use the banana just so I can get that really good consistency, and I don't like to freeze the banana unless I'm making like a chocolate smoothie where the banana is the main fruit in there. Then I'll freeze the banana, but otherwise I like to have just a room temperature banana. This particular smoothie is going to be a mixed berry smoothie, so I always try to use the almond milk anytime I have the berry smoothie. Get a little bit more blueberries in there. You don't necessarily have to put any spinach in there, but I just put it in there just so I can have just variety, honestly, and then just have kind of like a vegetable in there. But I try not to put too much in there because I don't want it to be too green. Throw a little chia seed in there. way it has that really nice consistency to it. Sometimes I will add some whipped cream on top. And this one's sugar-free whipped cream. That's my berry smoothie. So this one, of course, I'm gonna start with the banana at room temperature. And for this one, this is gonna be, for this one, I like to use the pineapple juice. I think it gives it a really good flavor against the peach and peaches. So it's like peach, pineapple. I'm not gonna put a lot of spinach in there, but just to give it that variety and get a little vegetables in that serving. I'm gonna add my spinach. Specifically for this one, I'm doing peaches. A little mango can get in there, that's fine, but now that that's in there, is the peach with pineapple juice smoothie. Although it, of course, looks similar to the one that I made earlier in the video, it does have a different taste because it does kind of use the, you know, it has more of that peachy taste, but regardless of which, it's still very refreshing. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you're a person that really likes to make smoothies, please drop your recipe in the comment section because I would love to try it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.